Hello everyone. Welcome back to Codizn, where we make coding super simple. Today, we're diving into HTML, the language of the web, and learning the most essential tags with live examples in 3 minutes. Let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's used to structure content on the web. Imagine building a house. HTML is like the skeleton or blueprint. It tells the browser what's a heading, a paragraph, an image, or a link. Every HTML document starts with this basic structure. Doctype HTML tag tells the browser this is HTML5. Then HTML tag wraps everything. H1 to H6 are heading tags, like titles in a document. Here H1 is the biggest size font, and H6 is the smallest. And P tag defines a paragraph. Think of it as a block of readable text. The anchor tag, written as, is what you use for links. The href attribute tells the browser where to go when someone clicks the link. The image tag is what adds images to your page. You just give it a src, which is the source file, and an alt, that's a description in case the image doesn't load. To make a list with bullet points, you use the ul tag, which stands for unordered list. If you want a numbered list, you use ol tag, that means ordered list. And each thing on your list goes inside an li tag, that stands for list item. Pretty straightforward. To make your text bold, just use the strong tag, like a bold text. And if you want italics, use em tag. Oh, and if you need a line break, just use the br tag. It jumps to the next line and you don't need a closing tag for it. That's it, you learned the basic formatting. Alright, let's put it all together. Here's a basic web page. See how easy it is? With just a few tags, you can create a clean web page. Let's recap the tags we covered. Doctype tag tells the browser this is an HTML5 page. HTML is the wrapper, inside it head has page title, and body holds web page content. H1 to H6 are heading text, P is for paragraphs, A adds links, IMG helps to add image to web page. Ul tag for bullet lists, ol for number list, and li for each item in list. Strong tag makes text bold, M tag make text italics, and BR is used to go to the next line. You now know the foundation of any HTML page. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding videos, and comment below. What should we cover next, CSS or JavaScript? Thanks for watching, and happy coding!